What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to cook easy. Just put it in the microwave stuff, you know. But I'm gonna show you which one I'm using. This one, it's good. Well, I'm trying to find something I could have opened with, but it's right here. That's what it looks like, but you're gonna heat them up, of course. And yeah. There's something right there on the speaker. There you go. Let me just get the plate. So, have you guys heard about that Fortnite thing? Bro, I can't believe Fortnite added those cards. That's crazy. I know you guys are going to be in the comments, oh, did we ask and all that, but did I ask you to be boring? If you guys are saying that in the comments, then, yeah. If you guys are going to roast me in the comments, just go ahead. I'll roast you back and see how that goes. Probably give you a little clout, you know. I was touching my mom's beard to move out the way because it was in my way, so yeah. So you want to put, oh dang, I gotta restart it. So you gotta put it at 30. Okay, 30. If you guys don't put it at 30, it will overheat. If you guys put it at 1 minute, don't do that because if you don't want your tongue to burn off. If you want to eat it like right now, just put it at 30. I'm gonna get my something to drink. Don't mind the mess in the back. We just moved, as I said. And then, yeah, you're gonna want to put it for another 30 seconds. About 1 minute, cause yeah. I'm gonna be drinking. What am I gonna be drinking? Little Coke. No, my dad's gonna want that one, so I'll take this one. Karen's, I don't know what's it called. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not a good reader. Oh, it's right there. Don't mind me, I didn't wake up, I'm tired. Yeah, it's good. If you want to feel like it's kind of a little squishy, but that's okay. You're gonna eat it anyways. If you guys want, you guys can cut it in half. It's not none of my business. But if you guys want to, you guys could cut it in half. But other than that, I just wanted to make a video because I'm bored in the house and I'm in a house tour. Yeah. Don't hate on me, bro. Don't hate on me. I swear to God. So put a strap on me, bro. I'm playing. But I am going to be eating. I'm going to tell you guys how. Oh, dang. Wrong side. If it's good, if it's a little bad, like stuff like that. I'm going to tell you guys right now. There's a whole hell of cans here. Not beer cans, just like cans. Just be careful when you use a knife, because you do not want to cut yourself. Okay. I cut it in 4 pieces. That's hot. Okay. It's hot. That's gonna be the end of the video. I forgot my beverage and I'm gonna go get my beverage. If you guys can hear my footsteps, it's because we live in a mobile home. It's nothing bad. It's really nice. It looks like a new, brand new, like a house. But we do live in a mobile home. I love this mobile home. It's freaking dope. We have a pool over there. I might do a pool video when they open it because of COVID. And yeah. So don't let anyone tell you you're dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh? Because that's $6.99. Peace.